Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the flapper door center hinge in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new flapper door center hinge. The flapper door center hinge is mounted in the middle of the flapper door. It supports the flapper door, allowing it to swing back and forth. If the hinge breaks, preventing the flapper door from moving freely, simply replace it. To get to the part, we need to open the right side French door. Next, I'm going to open the flapper door. Now I'm going to use this Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to remove that single Phillips screw. To remove the flapper door from these three hinges, we need to push it up. Next thing, we're going to unplug this. Okay, let's put this on the table, and we're going to remove this hinge now. On one side, the center hinge pin is attached by the clip, and on the opposite side, there's an actual hinge pin that holds that side. So we're going to start with removing the one that is just clipped on. So I'm going to insert the flat blade screwdriver right next to that clipped on side of the center hinge, and I'm going to slowly push it out so it will unclip. Next, I'm going to turn it and open this, and we need to push this harness to the side and then pull on the center hinge slowly, and I'm going to press this pin out like that. Then I'm going to slide the harness and the plug out. Alright, so this is our old central hinge, and we have two magnets here. We need to remove them, so we're going to use them in a new one. I'm using the flat blade screwdriver, and I am hooking them up. Piece of cake. This is the old flapper center hinge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Next, I'm going to install these magnets into the new hinge. Slide it in, press it in, slide it in, and press it in. And we're going to install this new hinge under the flapper door. Slide the plug first in. And now we are going to bend this. And we need to place this hinge pin into this hole here. All right. And now on this side, we just press it on so it will lock. All right, so, and let's mount it on the door. All right, so next we are going to connect this plug. Make sure it's locked. To install this center hinge pin, we need to lock this tab into this opening. I'm gonna turn this 90 degrees, and we're going to proceed. So I'm gonna lock the bottom first. Just slide it, and we're going to the top. I'm gonna align the top hinge and slide the flapper down. All right, we're gonna install this screw in manually. I don't think you can use the screwdriver to install it because we have a very strong magnet right in here. Now we're gonna tighten with the Phillips screwdriver. Now I'm gonna close the flapper door and close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.